National symbols.
National symbols. Father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhiji.
National anthem.
National anthem, Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
National song, Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
National emblem, lion capital.
National flag.
National flag, red flag.
National flower.
National flower, lotus.
National animal.
National animal, tiger.
National sea animal.
National cinema, dolphin.
National bird.
National bird, peacock.
National fruit.
National fruit, mango.
National vegetable.
National vegetable, pumpkin.
National language.
National language, Hindi.
National calendar.
National calendar, Saka calendar.
National book.
National book, Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
National game, hockey.
National tree.
National tree, banyan tree.
National river.
National river, Ganga.
National flag colors.
National flag colors, saffron, white, green.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance forms of India, Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odissi, Odisha, Satya, Assam, Naki dance, Madhya Pradesh, Kandiya, Gujarat, Yajagala, Karnataka.
Jnanapita award winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita award winners from Karnataka, Kuvenpu, Taram Bende, Shivaram Karan, Nasi Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Koka, Yuva Anantamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhara Kambara.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
10 Mukhya Upanishads.
Tanmukya Upanishad, Ishabhyasa Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Vaishna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Manutya Upanishad, Aitreya Upanishad, Aitreya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Ruvataranyaka Upanishad.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas, Rutveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India, Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu, Vatsya, Bhuma, Varaha, Nasima, Bhavana, Vashurama, Rama, Krishna, Bhuta, Kalki.
18 Puranas.
18 Purana, Vishnu Purana, Matsya Purana, Harishya Purana, Bhuma Purana, Varuna Purana, Agni Purana, Vamana Purana, Bhagavata Purana, Skanda Purana, Shiva Purana, Brahmanda Purana, Markandeya Purana, Linga Purana, Vamana Purana, Dhamma Vaivatya Purana, Padma Purana.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world, Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans.
5 oceans of the world, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India, Tukkabai Deshmukh, Aruna Safari, Sucheta Tripalini, Kitturani Channamma, Kalagi Channamma, Manakke Opava, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Sanchirani Lakshmi Vai.
Districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka, Bagalkot, Bellary, Bೀಗ, Bangalore, Bangalore Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikkabellapura, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ, ಧಾರವಾಡ, ಹಾಸನ, ಹಾವೇರಿ, ಕಲಬುರಗಿ, ಕೊಡಗು, ಕೋಲಾರ, ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ, ಮಂಡ್ಯ, ಮೈಸೂರು, ರಾಮನಗರ, ರಾಯಚೂರು, ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ, ತುಮಕೂರು, ಉಡುಪಿ, ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ, ವಿಜಯಪುರ, ಯಾದಗಿರಿ.
Religions in India.
Religions in India, Hinduism, Islam.
colors in rainbow?
7 colors in rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages of India?
Official languages of India.
Assami.
Assami, Bengali, Uro, Gogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Names of Rutus?
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months?